Today, I'll show you the fastest way to grind Ducky X in TDS using only shotgunner. And I recommend you to play in a VIP server, and if you don't have one, I'll link the VIP server in the description. After you have equipped your shotgunner, now go enter a solo match. Once you have loaded inside the match, use the override machine and search for the map Stain Temple, then select it. Now select the Molten difficulty. You can also grind in Fallen difficulty, but you will lick more enemies and it will take longer, so I recommend you to grind in Molten difficulty instead. Now the first step is to place 6 level 0 shotgunner. Now upgrade all 6 shotgunners to level 1. After you have upgraded all shotgunners to level 1, continue upgrading all the shotgunners until level 2. Once you have reached at the end of wave 10, leave the match and restart over again. A single match should give you about 100 Ducky X in less than 10 minutes, and per hour should give you about 3000 Ducky X.